Is Notion free on iPhone? Ever wondered if you could ditch those bulky notebooks and sticky notes for a sleek, digital solution? Notion has been making waves in the productivity world. But is it accessible to everyone, especially iPhone users? Let's dive in and find out. The digital dilemma. We live in an age where our phones are more than just communication devices. They're our personal assistants, our entertainment hubs, and, increasingly, our productivity tools. But when it comes to staying organized and efficient, the question remains, can a digital tool like Notion truly replace the tactile experience of a traditional notebook? The Notion basics. Before we tackle the iPhone question, let's quickly recap what Notion is. It's a versatile note-taking and task management app that allows you to create databases, wikis, and project management boards, all in one place. The beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to streamline your life, Notion has something to offer. Notion on iPhone. A free trial. So, to answer the burning question, is Notion free on iPhone? Well, not entirely. While Notion offers a free tier with basic features, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan to unlock its full potential. However, the good news is that Notion provides a generous free trial, giving you ample opportunity to test drive the app and see if it's the right fit for your needs. The free tier, what you get. Let's break down what you can do with the free tier of Notion on your iPhone. Basic note-taking. Create and organize notes, add attachments, and customize their appearance. Simple task management. Use checklists and assign due dates to keep track of your tasks. Limited database functionality. Build basic databases with a few properties, but you'll be restricted in terms of customization and advanced features. Syncing across devices. Enjoy seamless syncing between your iPhone and other devices, ensuring your notes and tasks are always up to date. While the free tier offers a solid foundation, it's important to note that some key features are locked behind a paywall. If you find yourself needing more advanced features like advanced databases, formula capabilities, and integrations with other apps, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Is the free trial worth it? If you're unsure whether Notion is the right tool for you, the free trial is definitely worth exploring. It allows you to get a feel for the app's interface, experiment with its features, and see if it aligns with your workflow. Even if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan later, the free trial can help you determine if Notion is a worthwhile investment. Key considerations for iPhone users. When considering Notion on your iPhone, there are a few factors to keep in mind. App performance. While Notion generally runs smoothly on iPhones, it's always a good idea to check user reviews and ratings to see if there are any specific performance issues or compatibility concerns. Offline access. Notion offers offline access, but the extent of functionality may be limited compared to when you're online. If offline access is crucial for your workflow, be sure to test the app's offline capabilities. Data usage. If you're on a limited data plan, be mindful of Notion's data usage, especially when syncing your notes and databases. Alternatives to consider. If Notion doesn't quite meet your needs or you're looking for other options, there are plenty of alternatives available on the iPhone App Store. Some popular choices include Evernote, OneNote, and Bear. Each app has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth exploring different options to find the one that best suits your preferences and requirements. So, is Notion free on iPhone? While the basic version is free, you'll need to subscribe to a paid plan to unlock its full potential. However, the free trial offers a great opportunity to test drive the app and see if it's the right fit for you. If you're looking for a versatile note-taking and task management app with a clean interface and powerful features, Notion is definitely worth considering. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons of the free tier and explore alternative options if Notion doesn't meet your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.